Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the language translator using the React. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first of all, we have to create the React project using these commands. npm create white latest. This is your project name and the template I'm using, that is React. Okay. So this is the thing we have to do for creating a project of the React. After this, what we have to do, let's take a look. So first of all, if I'm doing the language translation, so first of all install the i18next react i18next. Okay, if I go into the package.json, so which packages we have installed, so i18next and react, this one. Okay, so these two packages we have to install for the language drop down. Here you can see that. Where is my terminal? Let's open it. And here you can see that currently it's English language. If I switch back to this, here you can see that the language is changed. Okay, so this is how we have implemented. So first of all, what we have to do, install that packages. Okay, after this, the next step we have to go with the another one, that is we have to create a locales directory in the source folder. So here you can see that we have a locales directory, and here we have en.json, es.json. So two language files I have added. Okay, source locales en.json. So here we have put the title description library, and in the es.json we have put the title description and the library. Here you can see that. Okay, so this is what we have added. The next, create i18 configuration. Create source i18.js file to configure the i18 next. So here we have this one in your i18.js. You should go with the source. Here is the file source, this is the file, right? So you have to create that one. You have to import both the en and es. Okay, so here we have resources, whatever language translation come, add over here. Okay, and this is your default language. Okay, initialize with your default language, and whenever you do the changes, it will go with the language selection, right? This is done. Okay, this part is done. Next we have to initialize your i18 next in your app, that is your main.jsx. Okay, so here we have the main.jsx, we have to import that one. Okay, so we have imported, right? Now the next step, main file. Okay, so this is done. After, update your React component, modify to your component to use the translation and add your language translation. Which one? That is your app.jsx. Okay, so here we have to use the translation, right, and import that one. This is the code, whatever code you have. Okay, so currently what we have to do, constly use translation. Okay, so now I'm going to get the two states. Okay, so language and the set language. So initialize the by default language. Okay, and when there is a switch of the language, so we are going to set that language. Okay, whatever the language, that en or es, it will set by using the language drop down. Okay, so it will set that language, right? So according to it, then we will render that language. Okay, set that language. After this, how we can add in our main component? Okay, with the help of this one. Okay, t title description and the library, because in the locale here you can see that we have a title description and library, right? So in our main component, this is the pattern that we have to add with translation, the title description. When there is a change, drop down change, so automatically it get the data from the locales and it will render that one. Okay, so this is how you can add the language translation drop down in your React component. Easy, very simple, nothing too much complicated over there. Okay, so hope you understand what we have to do. So any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.